got some stuff. I'd best put the light on. Alright, guys, let's get to the kitties. Ashley's right over here looking around. One of these is either Sam or Petra, the black one. Hello, Rory, and Caramel way over there. And hello, Rory, what are you doing? Anyway, Caramel is way over there. Way over there. Yep, you see her right there. Way over there, yep. Way over there. Hello, which one are you? Oh. Hello, you Petra or Sam? Ow. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Like and subscribe for more.